Temu sent me the viral hair girl package, and I am happy to see that the brand is supporting my soft girl agenda. In this haul, I got satin pillowcases, hair chopsticks, different funky headbands, also the viral Chioma wig. That's the one that she wore on her wedding day, and she looked amazingly, stunningly gorgeous. I don't know if that was the wig, but I got the wig. I am also happy to announce that in this past year of constantly and consistently shopping on Temu, this has got to be my cheapest haul yet. I don't think I spent more than 20k on this entire haul, and I am immensely satisfied with everything I got. If you're interested to see all the hits in this haul and the products that should have stayed in the cart, stay tuned for the video.
Oh, this is clean. This is clean. This is what I mean.
Kicking off this beauty haul is this Mulberry Silk 100% silk pillowcase. I actually got this too. It comes in a pack of 2. I got this for my skin and for my hair. For days that maybe, although I've never tried this before, but for days that maybe something happens to me and I go to bed without my silk scarf, I will know that I'm covered. Also, my skin is extremely problematic. I have acne-prone skin, and I heard that aside from being good for keeping your hair moisturized, this also helps to keep your skin moisturized as well. Your skin, the material is not absorbing oils that if you put your face on it again, it transfers back to your face, bacteria moving everywhere. So I got this, and so far so good. It's very cool to lay on. Like when the weather is hot at night and I lay on this, it doesn't make the situation worse. It makes me feel very refreshed, especially after taking a shower. Love this for me. Got this in silverish gray. This is the only color I could find, so I got it. I got a few headbands, about 4 different designs. The first design is this sunglass shaped one. Let me put it on for you to see. So I got this because I haven't seen a design like this before. I got this because the design is pretty unique, and on the Temu description site it said that it is meant to mimic when you put your glasses on your head, so that's why I got this. Next headband is this gold shiny chainy looking one. This one is glued on because it still smells like the glue that was used in gluing it on. I got it because I love golden shiny things, and the color is also neutral. I can use this to wear outfits that are more on the warm side, and it's going to make a basic outfit look very high class. Tell me what you guys think of the headband. Next headbands are this 2-in-1, and by 2-in-1 I mean that it's 2 for the price of 1. This is in shiny black, while this is in shiny pink. If you notice, it has like a row of combs, and this is meant to pull your hair back when you are washing it and stuff like that. But this is not the only use of this. You can use it for going out as well, making your outfits look cute, just like this. Let me show you what the black one looks like. And it really does hold the hair back, gives it grip. Same thing here. It digs into the hair. The combs too are very anti-static, anti-friction. It doesn't hook onto your hair. It doesn't snag any hairs. You might have seen this in one of my previous beauty Temu hauls. I had to get another one just in case, and I got this in orange. The first one was in pink. This one is just in case something happens to the first one, maybe it goes missing, because it doesn't give something that can break easily. And again, I am getting this in plastic. On the website it is called Faux Jade, but this is actually hard plastic, and I get this in plastic because it's more sanitary. You can wash this once you are done. Dirt will not be stuck in any grooves like with stones and Faux Jade. Like with stones and resin materials. And this also I use in the shower, because if your face is dry and you try using this to massage your face, you will feel some resistance. But the way that I get around this is by actually washing my face with it, or massaging my face while I am washing it. Get this if you are interested in lymphatic drainage massages. Next is this crossbody bag, this chain crossbody bag. I love it because look at it. Why would I love it? I got this for simple casual outings. Just a simple purse that I can put my phones in and maybe a power bank and a cord. Tell me what you guys think of this.
Perfect.
And this is 100% extra virgin cold pressed coconut oil, and this smells amazing. I have actually modified it. It's still thick right now, but I actually modified it. What I have in here is castor oil, rosemary essential oil, neem oil, some menthol crystals. And I got this specifically for my hot oil treatment. Been loving it so far. It works amazingly well. Since I started using it, my hair has not been dry. Let me show you the back just to show you. You can actually see how moisturized my hair is on the screen. This is what my hair is looking like. Tell me if you cannot see this moisturization. Drop down in the comments and tell me. I can honestly definitely say that there has been a difference since I started using the coconut oil. My ends are less scraggly, less everything. I don't know, like there is a huge and definite difference in how my hair feels since I started using the treatment. Hair sticks, hair chopsticks. I got this so that I'll be able to style my hair in those stylish Chinese buns, and I got 2 of them. I don't know how to use them yet. I still need to watch some tutorials on how to style my hair using them. But I'm just going to leave a picture on the screen just to show you guys what I mean by hair sticks for the Chinese buns. So next up are these satin scrunchies. When I went online to buy all these satin products, I felt like there was going to be a huge difference between satin and silk, and I really cannot tell the difference. So I got these scrunchies. I already have satin scrunchies. I got these scrunchies because I felt, again, difference in the material, but no difference at all. So I now have like 6 scrunchies that can help to actually protect my hair when I put them up, just like this. Just like this. This is going to ensure that no snags like rubber bands can tend to snag your hair if you are not careful, or cotton scrunchies that can contribute to soaking up the moisture you have in your hair. So tell me what you guys think of the satin scrunchie, and that's it. Silk scrunchie. The last item in this beauty haul is this viral Chioma wig that she wore on her wedding day. She looked amazing on it and the look went viral. And when I was going on Temu, I saw that they were selling the wig on one particular store. They even had Chioma as the face of the store. Not too sure about that, but read the specification, read the reviews, and everything checked out, so I got the wig. I am going to go into more details on this wig in a different video. Specifications, what it comes with, what the fit looks like on me, etc, etc. Well, that's it for this video, guys. If you're interested in seeing more content like this from me, consider subscribing, turning on your notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a new video. Also, consider watching any of the 2 videos on the end screen right now. Like if you like this video, share if you care. I'll see you in my next one. Love you and choose.